At what time does a gardener decide what plants are worth saving and which are too far gone to even try to resuscitate? For example, this one right here, I'd say it's a goner. There's no green growth whatsoever. That one we can yank up and replace. This one right here, well, I'd say if 80–90% of the canopy is dead, that one is not worth saving either. You know, you could just buy another plant and it could catch up with these others and you could save a lot of time. So that one goes too. But now these three, that's a little better chance of maybe these recovering. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off the dead and then we can kind of see what they look like. Oh, it's easier to do this. There we go. Now some of this is weeds, so we're going to pull that out so you can get an idea of really what's left of the plant that's still growing. So see, that one's not so bad. That one's pretty good. All right, let's look at this one. Now see, that one's not bad. See, we got a pretty good little canopy. Then let's look at this last one. There we go. Not too bad. I think these are probably going to make it. They're probably going to come out next spring, put a little fertilizer on them, and they should come out and do okay.